mode. Hello guys, today we are talking about a new shape. Today we're going to be talking about squares. So we're going to get started with a little song, a little intro into squares, and then we will work through our workbook pages together. A square has four sides, and we've talked a little bit about this, but the difference in a square and a rectangle, and there's some other shapes that also have four sides. But how you can tell it is a square is all of the sides are the same. They're the same length, the same height. All of the sides are equal. So that's one trick to help you remember which shape is a square. Let's see what our song has to say about squares.
Children's song, sing and move along. Children's song, make your brain and body strong. I'm a square, over here and over there. I have four equal sides, made of four straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kinda look like a box, from my bottom to my top. I don't have any hair, now draw me in the air. Make a straight line up, another straight line over, another straight line down. A straight line back to the start, and we're there. Oh, I'm a square, I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a square, over here and over there. I have four equal sides, made of four straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kinda look like a box, from my bottom to my top. I don't have any hair, now draw me in the air. One straight line up, another straight line over, another straight line down. A straight line back to the start, and we're there. I'm a square, I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a square, I'm a square, I'm a square. If you like this video...
Alright, let's move over and get our workbook page out and do a little more practice with squares. This is what your page looks like today. It has 9.3 at the top, so I'll give you just a second to get that out and then we will get started. Alright, we have two sides here on our paper. This side says
squares.
So on this side of your paper, I want you to draw me a square. Think about what we just heard in our song. It's four sides, straight lines, and they're all the same. So see if you can draw me a square on this side of your paper. And then we're going to come over to this side. Let's see what it says.
Not squares.
On this side, I want you to draw me any shape that is not a square. So that means it's not going to have four equal sides. Could have four sides, but they're not going to be the same. So think of a shape that is not a square and draw it for me on this side. When you're done with that, we're going to turn to the inside, and you're going to find the page with the red apple and all these shapes on it. We're going to go on a little shape hunt. We're going to look for all of the squares, and when you see a square on this page, you're going to put an X on it, okay? So you're going to look at each shape and you're going to think, does it have four sides? Yes, okay, if it does, it might be a square, but then you also need to check number 2, are all of the sides the same? Alright, so let's look. Let's do a couple together and then you can finish on your own. What about this shape? Does it have four sides? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Now we need to check something else. Are all of these sides the same? Yes, so this is a square. We're going to put an X on it. What about this one? Does it have four sides? 1, 2, 3. No, it does not. So this is not a square. What about this one? Does it have four sides? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. Are all of the sides the same length? Yes, they are. Now, it's turned up on its corner, but it is still a square. It has four sides. They are all the same. That's what we need to check to see if it's a square, so we're going to put an X on that one. I want you to keep going and see if any of these other shapes pass that test and are a square with 4 sides that are the same. Done with that one, we're going to turn to this page. We've got our little shape person. This person's on the beach. And I want you to look at this shape, man, and I want you to color all of the parts of his body that are shaped like a square. If it is not a square, you are not going to color it. You are only going to color the parts that are shaped like a square with 4 sides that are the same. And when you're done with that, you're going to turn on the back and you're going to put an X on the squares you see in this row for me. And then you're going to come down here and draw a square for me and color it. So by the apple, put an X on any squares you see in this row of red shapes. By the yellow sun, draw a square with 4 equal sides for me and color it. Good luck.